Welcome to the future. Your smart home awaits. Imagine a world where your home anticipates your needs and responds to your commands effortlessly. Imagine this. You wake up and your coffee is already brewing. The aroma fills the air, gently nudging you to start your day with a smile. The lights gently brighten as your favorite morning playlist fills the air. It's a seamless blend of technology and comfort designed to enhance your daily routine. As you head out, the security system arms itself and the thermostat adjusts to save energy. Your home is not just smart, it's intuitive, ensuring safety and efficiency even when you're not around. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's the reality of a smart home, a place where technology and everyday life merge seamlessly. Smart homes are no longer a futuristic fantasy, they are here, transforming the way we live, work and play. They're increasingly accessible and offer a blend of comfort, convenience and control that was once unimaginable. From voice-activated assistants to automated lighting and climate control, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just starting to explore the possibilities, this guide will walk you through building your own smart home haven. We'll cover everything from basic setups to advanced integrations, from choosing the right devices to understanding the latest advancements. We'll demystify the world of smart homes and empower you to create a space that anticipates your needs. Learn how to make your home more efficient, secure, and enjoyable. Get ready to unlock a new level of comfort, efficiency, and peace of mind. Your smart home will not only simplify your life, but also enrich it in ways you never thought possible. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. Discover the endless possibilities and transform your living space into a smart home sanctuary. A smart home is more than just a collection of internet-connected devices. It's an ecosystem where these devices work in harmony to simplify your life. At its core, a smart home uses technology to enhance your comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Imagine controlling your lighting, temperature, and appliances with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. Picture a home that learns your habits and adjusts itself accordingly. The beauty of a smart home lies in its ability to personalize your living experience. It's about creating a space that adapts to you, not the other way around. From automating mundane tasks to providing valuable insights into your energy consumption, a smart home empowers you to live smarter and more efficiently. Before you dive into the world of smart devices, it's crucial to have a well-thought-out plan. This will save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Start by assessing your needs. What aspects of your home life would you like to improve? Are you looking for enhanced security, energy savings, or simply more convenience? Once you have a clear understanding of your goals, set a realistic budget. Smart home technology can range from affordable to high-end, so it's essential to determine how much you're comfortable spending. Prioritize your purchases. Don't feel like you need to buy everything at once. Start with a few essential devices that address your most pressing needs and gradually expand your system over time. A smart home hub acts as the central command center for all your connected devices. It allows you to control and automate various functions from a single interface, typically a smartphone app or a voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. When choosing a hub, consider your existing ecosystem. If you're heavily invested in Amazon's ecosystem, an Amazon Echo might be a natural fit. Google Home is an excellent option for Google enthusiasts. Compatibility is key. Ensure the hub you choose supports the devices you plan to use. Research the hub's features such as voice control capabilities, supported protocols like Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and ease of use. Remember, the hub is the backbone of your smart home, so choose wisely. Section 5. Illuminating possibilities, smart lighting and beyond. Smart lighting is often the entry point for many smart home enthusiasts, and for good reason. It's an accessible and impactful way to start your journey into home automation. It's a simple yet transformative upgrade that can enhance your comfort, security, and energy efficiency. With smart lighting, you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion, whether it's a cozy movie night or a lively dinner party. Imagine turning your lights on or off, dimming them to the perfect ambience, or even changing their color, all with a simple voice command or a tap on your smartphone. The convenience and flexibility are unparalleled. Smart bulbs connect to your hub, allowing you to control them remotely or automate them based on schedules or triggers. This means you can have your lights turn on just before you get home or dim them gradually as you wind down for the night. You can set your lights to turn on gradually as you wake up. Create custom lighting scenes for different moods, or even have your lights mimic your presence while you're away for added security. This not only enhances your daily life, but also provides peace of mind. Beyond bulbs, smart switches can turn traditional fixtures into smart ones, giving you even more control over your lighting. With smart switches, you can integrate your existing lighting setup into your smart home ecosystem without needing to replace every bulb. Smart lighting isn't just limited to your living room or bedroom. You can extend these benefits to your outdoor spaces, home office, and even your kitchen. The possibilities are truly endless, making your entire home smarter and more efficient. Section 6. Climate control at your fingertips. Smart thermostats. Smart thermostats take the guesswork out of climate control, making it easier than ever to maintain a comfortable temperature in your home while saving energy. These intelligent devices learn your preferences and adjust the temperature automatically based on your schedule and the occupancy of your home. Imagine waking up to a perfectly preheated home on a chilly morning, or having the AC kick in just as you're about to arrive home from a hot day. Smart thermostats connect to your hub, allowing you to control the temperature remotely from your smartphone. Many models offer features like geofencing, which automatically adjusts the temperature as you come and go, and energy usage reports, providing insights into your consumption patterns and helping you save money on your utility bills. Section 7. Smart security for peace of mind. Smart security systems have revolutionized home protection, offering advanced features and remote monitoring capabilities that provide unparalleled peace of mind. From smart door locks that allow you to lock and unlock your doors remotely to security cameras that stream live footage to your smartphone, there are countless ways to enhance the safety and security of your home. Smart security systems can be integrated with your hub, allowing you to control everything from a central location. Receive instant notifications on your phone if any unusual activity is detected. Many systems offer professional monitoring services that can dispatch authorities in case of an emergency. With smart security, you're always connected, giving you a watchful eye over your home even when you're away. Section 8. Voice control and automation. The magic of hands-free living, voice control and automation are at the heart of what makes a smart home truly smart. With virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, you can control your devices, play music, get information, and manage your day, all with simple voice commands. Imagine dimming the lights, setting the temperature, or turning on your favorite playlist without lifting a finger. Automation takes things a step further by allowing you to create routines and schedules for your devices. Set your coffee maker to brew automatically in the morning, have your lights turn off when you leave the house, or even create a movie night scene that dims the lights and activates your home theater system. The possibilities for customization and convenience are virtually limitless. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve. Future-proofing your smart home. The world of technology is constantly evolving, so it's essential to consider future-proofing when building your smart home. This means choosing devices and systems that are adaptable and can integrate with new technologies as they emerge. Opt for devices that support open standards and protocols, ensuring compatibility with a wider range of products. Consider investing in a modular system that allows you to add or upgrade components easily without replacing the entire setup. Stay informed about the latest trends and advancements in smart home technology. By staying flexible and embracing innovation, you can ensure your smart home remains relevant and cutting edge for years to come. Section 10. Safe and sound. Shielding your smart home from cyber threats. As with any connected technology, security is paramount when it comes to smart homes. While smart home devices offer convenience and control, they can also be vulnerable to cyber threats if not properly secured. One of the most important steps you can take is to choose strong, unique passwords for all your devices and accounts. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible, adding an extra layer of security. Regularly update your device's firmware to ensure you have the latest security patches. Be mindful of the information you share with your devices and review the privacy settings of your hub and connected devices. By taking these proactive security measures, you can enjoy the benefits of a smart home while minimizing the risks. Section 11. The future is now. Embracing the smart home revolution. The smart home revolution is here, and it's transforming the way we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. From increased comfort and convenience to enhanced security and energy efficiency, the benefits of a smart home are undeniable. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative and integrated solutions to emerge, further blurring the lines between science fiction and reality. Whether you're just starting your smart home journey or looking to upgrade your existing setup, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the future of living and unlock a world of possibilities with the power of a smart home. Section 12. Join the conversation. Your smart home journey starts today. Building a smart home is an exciting adventure, and it's one that's best shared. Imagine transforming your living space into a seamless, connected environment where everything works in harmony. We've explored the key steps, from planning and choosing devices to embracing automation and security. Each step is crucial in creating a home that not only meets your needs but also enhances your lifestyle. Now, it's your turn to take the reins. Dive into the world of smart home technology and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Start by identifying your needs and priorities. Think about what aspects of your daily routine could be improved with smart technology. What aspects of your home life would you like to enhance with technology? Whether it's security, convenience, or energy efficiency, there's a smart solution for you. Once you have a vision, explore the wide array of devices and systems available. From smart lights and thermostats to security cameras and voice assistants, the options are vast. Don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for you. The beauty of smart home technology is its flexibility and adaptability. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to building a smart home. Each home is unique, and your smart home should reflect your personal preferences and lifestyle. As you embark on your smart home journey, we'd love to hear from you. Your experiences and insights can help others in the community. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable and can spark new ideas and solutions. Let's learn from each other and shape the future of smart living together. By sharing our knowledge and experiences, we can create a smarter, more connected world for everyone. Stay curious and keep exploring the digital world.